In today's video, we'll be making blue cheese dressing. It is so incredibly rich and creamy that after the first time I tried it, honestly, it was hard to go back to the blue cheese dressing from the stores. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar, 2 teaspoons of minced garlic, half a cup of crumbled blue cheese, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of milk. Finely mince 2 teaspoons of garlic, that's approximately 1 to 2 garlic cloves, and put them in a small bowl. In the bowl, you're going to add the rest of the ingredients, so that would be mayonnaise, salt, black pepper, red wine vinegar, crumbled blue cheese, and milk. Whisk everything together for a few minutes until the texture becomes creamy. You can use this recipe as a dip for your veggies or as a dressing for a salad. If you feel that the texture is too thick to be used for a salad, go ahead and add a little bit more milk to the dressing until it reaches your desired consistency.